So good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can put your stop loss, take profit, enter at a market execution, put your limits, your stop, or your buy stop, your sell stop, and everything. So let's see how you can do that in just 2 minutes. So first of all, you need to know what are you trading, which pair are you trading, right? So for new beginners who don't know where to find different codes, you can just click under codes. Once you click this plus, you can see them under these different categories. So once you click under cryptocurrency, realize that there are different asset classes under each category, right? So now let's say, for example, we're trading US30, or some brokers call it DJ30, which is Dow Jones. It's still the same thing. So you just click on it, go to the charts, look at where the market is currently at that time, and once you have analyzed yourself, let's say for example I want to enter in that manner a trade, right, at this market execution. If you check the price, it says 34038. That is the current market. So let's say for example I want to put the stop loss. I can just click this plus here just to adjust and be able to put it at the accurate price. So normally I love, if I'm buying in this instead, let's say I'm selling, since all the market it's pointing to the downside. So I will say, okay, I'm selling to this level, so but I'm putting my stop loss underneath this structure, so that if this market change the direction and move past against this structure, then it will kick me out and save me with the money that I've actually funded that for the next opportunity, right? There are plenty of opportunities, so you don't have to worry if the market didn't support your direction. So I put my stop loss here. It's 34076. 34076. Okay, so I'm just going to enter a trade. So here it says market execution, meaning at the current market price. I'm entering now, right? So we put that stop loss. Our stop loss, did I say 78 or something? I messed it out, but it's not a problem. So let's say maybe we're going to pass 33,000. Then I'm saying sell. So you see, my entry is now available in the market. I have now placed the trade, and I can even see my stop loss above that structure where I've put it, you see. So now I can then put a TP. I look for it at the high time frame. So even the TP, I think I put the TP. So let's try to track our TP, or let's shift it to this level. Let's say maybe my TP is 33926. So I go to that particular trade that I've entered, and I say modify. If I want to change and my stop loss or adjust my take profit, I just say modify, right? And under modify, then I can easily edit my stop loss and say 33926, modify. Then I'll be able to see that, oh, my TP, here it is, it has moved to this level. Easy like that. So guys, I hope you also, for new beginners who don't know, practice on a paper asset account, which is your demo account, until you're perfect, until you know how to play around this thing. So they are simple. You just need to know your points. So normally what I do is I help you with your stop loss, your take profit. Each and every day I dedicate my time for my community. I wake up and I give them signals every single day. So make sure that you also make sure that the value that I give to the community, you don't take it into waste. You can use it to also even become better and generate some income for yourself. So without waste of your time, now you know how to put your stop loss, you know how to take your profit. So let's look at the orders, on how you can actually place your orders. So to place your order, what you need to do is you can just click on this arrow that says trade, right? And then where it says market execution, you realize once you click on it, there are various types of options that you can choose from. You've got buy limit, you've got sell limit, you've got buy stop, you've got sell stop as well. So we go to buy limit. So we realize that with the buy limit as well, obviously you need to know your prices. You can't just click only. You need to know what level are you actually placing that buy limit. So normally I go to the chart, and let's say here in this case the market it's pointing down. So what I would do is I would say, if I want to put my buy limit, I would say when on this point, let's say if the market is coming down, I would say like, okay, on this level, as the market continues to point down, can I put my buy limit exactly here, so that once the market correct on that level and I bounce back, I know that it will go up with me. You see, so we say 34012, 34012, and then let's say maybe our stop loss, we put it at 34022 to 10, and then take profit. Let's say maybe we're targeting 33,926, sorry, 34,000, since well it's a buy limit. It's supposed to be at the higher point, 34,000. Then I say place. So here's my buy limit. You can see, let me zoom it in so you can see. So that's your buy limit there at the top. You can see here. You see, so if the market comes to this level and reject, you're going to activate and go up with you. So you just need to know your levels, you see. So let's say in case if I want to open a sell limit, right? A sell limit. So it's the same thing. I'm just going to say, okay, now the market, because of its pointing, let's say if the market is pointing up, for example, or it's rejecting, let's say it's moving whatever direction it's moving. So but in this case, if it's just rejecting on this area and then going up, so you know that maybe at some point it's going to reject here, you just put your limit somewhere here and say, okay, 34064. And you say you put your stop loss. Okay, put your stop loss 34064. Let me put it at 34 or 10 or 9. Okay, it's not coming through. So let me leave it and say, okay, place. Then I can just adjust it. So you see, here is your sell limit. You are able to see it. Here it is, here on this point. So let's say I want to put a sell stop. So in this case, where the market is just moving down, so just place it exactly underneath where the market is going, so that it can, as it going that same direction, it can just go the same direction with me along the way, you see. So 34018. $108, 34, is it 34108? 18, okay, place. So you see here's our sell stop, right? So once if the market in the case is moving aggressively during the events, it's a good way to trade with limits, because if it's gonna jump from this level fast to go down, then your sell stop would have been activated and you'd been profit by then, you see. So it's also a good way to trade with limits. So guys, most of the time, if you don't know where to put your stop loss, you don't know what is your target areas, just join our morning session every morning, and then make sure you are in our group so that when we give out the link, you can attend. And if you don't have time, guys, to do the market analysis, to take some signals, you can actually buy yourself Side Hustle EA software that trades on a low risk management for a long term, or you can set it on a medium risk or on a high risk as well, right? So it's all a matter of settings. We also have copy trading for people who want to copy our trade. So at least do something, guys. Today is the 18th of April, so I'm giving you a challenge to say that this 365 days, at least do something each and every single day. Do something that you feel like you're changing your life. You something, instead of just being the same person over and over again, not changing, not doing anything. I'm giving you a challenge to give yourself a challenge and do something better to change yourself. And as long as you have a group of people like us, Side Hustle, together each and every morning, so already you've got a community that says we want to change our lives. So join them and be part of it. So let's move, guys. I hope to see you soon at the top winning. And don't forget, we're also planning our seminar, so we'll announce the date here at the Blight in Pretoria East, where you'll be able to have our master classes and learn different ways of trading. So see you soon.